Hello friends, I am Dr. Sanjay Kumar, consultant chest physician at Patna. Today I shall discuss treatment of the asthma patient associated with COVID-19. So my dear friends, the whole world is facing the pandemic of COVID-19. This COVID-19 mainly originated from the Wuhan city of the China and then spread to Iran, Spain, Italy, USA, UK, India and nearly all the countries of the world. So main causative agent of the COVID-19 is SARS coronavirus 2, that is called novel coronavirus. And the main genetic material of this virus is single stranded RNA. So this is a single stranded RNA virus. The main serotypes are, there are mainly 7 types of serotypes of coronavirus. Previously 4 serotype was already existing, that is alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Then the next generation of the virus, after repeated mutation and so many factors originated. 5th one was MERS coronavirus. This one is SARS coronavirus, that is SARS coronavirus, and 7th is SARS coronavirus 2, that is novel coronavirus. MERS coronavirus is Middle East Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus, and SARS coronavirus is severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus. Latest one is SARS coronavirus 2, that is novel coronavirus, that is associated with COVID-19, and the disease is called COVID-19. The main symptoms of this disease is fever, cough, breathlessness, headache, fatigue. Patient may be associated with diarrhea, and most of the cases are asymptomatic also. Nearly 80% of the patient of the corona or COVID-19 are asymptomatic. 15% patient needs hospitalization and associated with so many symptoms, and 5% case needs ICU hospitalization with comorbid conditions, and patient complicate in their clinical courses, and nearly 3 to 5% are the mortality of this disease. So we have to study the treatment of the asthma patient with COVID-19. There are some changes in the guidelines in the case of the COVID-19 patient associated with asthma. First one is we have to avoid nebulization. We have to avoid nebulization in COVID patient with asthma, because this generate aerosols. According to guidelines of the ICMR, we have to continue all the inhalers that are taken by the patients of the asthma. So all the inhalers, that is MDI or DPI, should be continued, and all the MDI, that is metered dose inhalers, should be taken along with spacers. In acute asthma, MDI containing inhaled corticosteroid and short-acting beta agonist, that is SABA, that should be prescribed and given at nearly 6 hourly or 4 hourly, according to the requirement of the patient. After patient stabilizes, then we have to continue MDI containing inhaled corticosteroid, and other drugs, oral medications should be continued as it is. So now we have to see how we can use the MDI with spacers. So this is a device, this is called spacer. This is mouth cap. This portion is called mouth cap. This is mouthpiece, and this is MDI connecting end. So this is, in this part inhaler is connected, and in this, from this part we have to take inhalation. Now second one is, this is metered dose inhaler device. So what are the different parts? This is metered counter. There is metered dose counter. Okay, this part is called canister. This is canister. This part is called canister. This is mouth cap and this is mouthpiece. This end is mouthpiece. This is mouth cap. This part is canister and this is meter dose. So how to use this device? पेशेंट को हम लोग कैसे बताएंगे? पहले इस कैनिस्टर में अगर जो कैनिस्टर में ड्रग्स होता है इसको पहले शेक करते हैं 5 to 10 टाइम्स. इसको पहले शेक करना है. आफ्टर प्रॉपर शेकिंग वी हैव टू कनेक्ट दिस पार्ट विथ स्पेशर. उसके बाद जो रिक्वायर्ड डोज ऑफ ड्रग होगा किसी पर्टिकुलर डिजीज़ के लिए या आस्थमा और सीओपीडी के लिए जिसके लिए भी दे रहे हो, आस्थमा के लिए अगर देते हैं 2 डोज 2 पफ 3 पफ जितना भी डोज हो उसको इसको फ्रेश करना है. उसके बाद इसको रेस्पिरेटरी इसको डीप इन्हेलेशन लेना है और थ्रू नोज एक्सपिरेशन करना है. इस प्रोसेस को 5 to 6 टाइम करना है ताकि जो इसमें जितना ड्रग है, जो बॉडी ऑफ द स्पेशर में जितना ड्रग है वो हमारे रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक में प्रॉपरली डिलीवर्ड हो जाए. अदरवाइज विदाउट स्पेशर अगर इसको यूज़ करते हैं तो डायरेक्ट इससे लेने से एमडीआई को डायरेक्ट लेने से 10 से 15% ड्रग डिपोजिशन होता है. इसको ऐड करने से स्पेशर को ऐड करने से नियरली 30 to 40% नियरली 30% ड्रग डिपोजिशन होता है. ओके, थैंक यू.